back, everybody. I feel like I need to say something different, but I don't know really what else to say. So we're going to stick with that one for now. All right. Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 6, Lesson 10. See if I can make that a little bit nicer today. I like that. That looks better. I am Mr. Short. Let's look at what we got today on page 55. Just page 55. You guys are getting off lucky today. You got 2 problems, which means I'm going to help you with 1. Draw an array with no gaps or overlaps. All right. Write the repeated addition equation. So 2 rows of 5. So easiest way I found for this one, make a big rectangle. We want 2 rows. So make that rectangle split in half. Ready? Because it says no gaps or overlaps. That rhymes. Sorry. It's just stuck in my head now how that rhymes. Gaps, overlaps. It's the end of the school year for us. We're almost done. And yeah, my brain is tired. All right. So now we need 2 rows of 5. So right now I have 2 rows of 1. Now I have 2 rows of 2, right? 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, right? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know my rectangle isn't the best down here. It got a little wonky, but it still works. All right. So 2 rows of 5 equals. So how many do we have in here in total? Right. This is the same as saying 2 times 5. 2 rows with 5 in each rows. So how many do we have here? We have 10 because we have 5 plus 5. So we see 5 2 times, and that's 10. All right. Now remember, we're doing columns down here. Columns. Set it up the same. Oh, that's probably a bit big for columns. I know, I'm not supposed to be helping. All right, so 3 columns. I'll get you started. There's 2 columns. You have 3 columns now. Don't mind my other markings here. Don't let those mess you up. All right, now I need you to go ahead and finish the rest of this one out for me. All right, do it just like we did this one. You got to rewind the video, watch it again. All right, remember it says you have 3 columns of 4, and then you got to figure it out from there. All right, it's just this page today. 2 problems. You get this done, you get outside, enjoy some nice weather, have some fun. I think that's what I'm going to go do. So I'm out of here. You guys have a good night, and I'm going to go have one.